Proof. Hello Yatris, welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. This is Yata Chauhan, who is GitHub certified. So waiting is over guys. I am here to give you guide how you are going to get a free certification exam voucher. So we already provided voucher in few months ago, but right now who missed the opportunity, you have a chance to get a GitHub certification exam voucher in a free. So before going to the delay, let's start how you are going to get a free voucher. So subscribe to the Yatri Cloud and go to our portal, the GitHub Education, in which you can find out the details about the certification. And for that, we have one condition. So before going ahead, just scroll down and you will find out the description about the GitHub certification, especially one video from GitHub, the second one, study guide, third one, resources which is stored in the GitHub repo to much understand about the concept, and the fourth thing is about the registration, and the last one about the modules which is provided by the Microsoft. So to getting a free voucher, you must have a GitHub student developer pack. So here is the website. I will give each and single link inside the YouTube description. So just go to check it out. So how you are going to get this developer pack? So for that, I created one video which is I giving into the I button, and just go to it once. After getting the GitHub student developer pack, you will be getting access of the recently added GitHub certification exam voucher. Too simple, right? So this is only for students right now, and also for faculties and teachers who are currently in a college as a professor, as an assistant, or as any position, any higher authority. So let's say after getting it, how you are going to schedule your exam. So for that, I had created one video how to schedule the GitHub exam. You can find out in the description. So just go to it before going to schedule your exam, right? So let's go to the back, and I'm going to register the exam and getting a free. So let's say GitHub Foundations Certificate registration page. So just click on the register now. You will be directly redirected into the website where you can schedule the exam. So let's say this is the exam scenarios, all skills which must have, the schedule the exam, the basic description, and the exam fees. See, discounted. You have a voucher that will be applied during checkout to reduce the amount to $0. So you can find out there's a blue color box where it only eligible where you are going to apply GitHub student developer pack. So after getting it, just go to the schedule the exam and enter your basic details. Okay, then schedule the exam. Okay, so just wait, loading. Just do comment and hashtag I am Yatri to be a part of a GitHub Yatri, in which we are going to share daily updates and our GitHub playlist. It will help to prepare the exam. Okay, all done. Now, you can see we have a total price $0.00. So, which is already cut. So, I'm going to continue and see coupon and voucher code is here. Okay. So now you have a $0.00 to submit it. So just click on the purchase. You will be directly get schedule, date, and other further information which help you to register your exam. So this is general process which you can get it directly via GitHub Student Developer Pack. So right now I hope you understand the concept, how you are going to get a free certification exam voucher and clear the GitHub Foundation certification. So for preparation, I would suggest to go our third video. I guess, yeah. Wait a second. Yeah. Scroll down Yes, this is our playlist where I'm going to prepare each and every single topics one by one to get a GitHub certification exam voucher, especially GitHub Foundation. So I just click on it and you will be directly redirect into the playlist. So I will giving the link in the description. Go to one by one playlist videos and have a best of luck to your exams. And if you have any queries, just ping me on LinkedIn and subscribe to the Yatri Cloud and do comment hashtag I am Yatri to give us support and stay tuned. So as of now, bye bye. Take care. See you soon.